In primetime news this evening, 30 people detained as police swoop down on Westmoreland crime hotspot. Gangsters set several houses ablaze in Tucker St. James. And is it a hoax or not? The question many were left asking after turning up for a job fair in St. Andrew.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, we're talking about two main things this evening. The Scotia Group has officially launched a general insurance agency. And if you're a Netflix subscriber, some good news. Those and more in the business day.
And with a preview of what's to come in sports, here's Spencer Darlington.
Thank you very much, Giovanni. Well, the grouping for Jamaica's reggae girls at the upcoming World Cup has been decided. One of their opponents will be from CONCACAF. We'll give you the details in Primetime Sports later.
Thank you, Spencer. And from Spencer, we go to Romain, who has a preview of the weather report and forecast.
Thanks so much, Janella. Now, we do expect weaker winds across the basin over the next few days, and we are expecting a slight increase in the possibility of some shower activity, especially in the mornings across the east.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, do you believe tougher sentences will help curb crime?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.